Welcome to this quick tutorial on the Pulse Intel. The Pulse Intel is a device that we've released to help you to combat all of the tight UL regulations and restrictions that are on gate operators now, with more and more devices having to be added and all of them being monitored. We know that you are having sites that you're constantly having to go back to, and this Pulse Intel product is the product that is going to help you to save time and money on those problem sites that are giving you issues. Real quick in this tutorial, we're going to show you how we have two inputs set up and what's going to happen when those are triggered. And we'll have a longer, more detailed webinar on the 17th of this month. Right now, what I've done is I've taken this Pulse Intel unit, which has battery backup built into it, and I've connected 2 of my 8 inputs to this Door King gate operator. My wiring is such that I have power into the Door King operator, my main power, then my ground power, and then I have my monitoring devices into the open photo eye input on the Door King board and the closed photo eye input on the Door King board. It's as simple as 4 wires, and I can monitor up to 8 devices. In this scenario, I'm only monitoring 2. And with this device having battery backup and a cellular SIM card, I can monitor and be alerted of any issues that happen instantly. So you have a gate in the field where the customer keeps calling you saying, my gate's having issues, this is wrong with it. You go out there and troubleshoot it and you can't find anything wrong with it. Most of the time nowadays it's going to be a UL accessory of some sort because of the regulations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break the open beam, and I have the filter time set to alert me at 10 seconds. We don't want to be alerted every time this beam is broken, but we do want to be alerted if it's having an issue for more than a certain amount of time, which can be adjusted in the software. And my Pulse Intel is now going to send me a text message to my phone or any phone that I specify and let me know that the photo eye has a problem on this certain gate. And I'll show you that text message. And so I've got this for the open photo beam, and then I'm going to do the same for the closed photo beam. And I'll show you how this works on the text message. I just have to break it for 10 seconds. So usually you're going to set this for about 5 minutes, and I will show you the text message as I can feel my phone vibrating right now. The text message on my phone shows there's a problem with the open photo eye. The problem has been fixed. There's a problem with the closed photo eye, and then it's going to send another text message here in a minute that will say the problem has been fixed. You see it there, the problem has been fixed. You can alert on any device, up to 8 devices on any brand of gate operator. We just happen to choose the Door King so you can monitor safety edges, photo eyes, receivers, and then if I go ahead and shut off main power, so let's say the gate loses power, because my Pulse Intel has battery backup, it's going to text me and say, you have lost power to the gate. So now when you have a customer calling, you know exactly what's wrong with that problem site. We recommend having at least one of these on your truck, putting them on the problem site, figuring out what's wrong with that site, fixing it, and then moving it to any other sites you have. So now, if I move to the main software, the main software shows us the problems that we have. We have a problem with the open photo eye, and now we have a power supply outage. I can come here to the access log and get a full log of everything that's happened on this system with the time and date stamp. So when they call you saying that their gate was held open and you get there and the gate is closed, you can pull a report to see exactly what happened with the time and date. Again, this is a quick tutorial just to show you that we now have an option to save you a lot of time and hassle with those problem sites by connecting this Pulse Intel and being alerted to any issue that you specify with full customization, so you don't have to waste your time going back and forth from jobs trying to figure out what's wrong. Again, we have a webinar on the 17th. We'd love to have you watch that where we'll go into much more detail on this product. Thank you.